What else was to do?
What do you mean, what else do I do? What do you want me to do? Get up, sing, and dance or something? You get up and sing and dance, you fool! Does this look like Amuse You Day? By the way, what the hell's your name anyways?
You can call me M or something like G.
That don't make any sense.
Or something like N.
Did anybody ask to hear from the rude person? You eyeballing me, sister? I'll come over and slap you. Listen. Listen, little girl. You don't want none of this.
Hey, monkey.
I will so open a can of whoop ass on you. My name's not Monkey.
What is your name?
My name's Holly.
Now you like your name?
No, I think it's gay, but what the hell am I gonna do?
I think you should have been Harold.
Read between the lines, sister.
What line?
Them ones.
I don't see no lines.
Talk to the end, cause
Talk to the booty, get the hands off duty.
that was really stupid. You could come up with anything like better than that. You are definitely blonde.
Better talk to the hands.
Talk to the rest, cause the mind is pissed, bitch.